So, I'm pretty sure most of you guys are already quite familiar with these two phones here, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G and also the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G here. But we got some questions from you guys, which is regarding on the flex mode. So, do you guys really know how to put the flex mode in use, or which scenarios that you guys can use the flex mode? So if you guys want to know more, please watch the video till the end, okay? Let's go! So, if you're out walking and got a sudden emergency conference call, don't panic. Just place down your phone on a flat surface and flip out at any angle between 75 to 115 degrees. Then, you can have your virtual call hands-free. You don't even need to worry you're out of the frame, as the auto framing will frame you up in the center at all times. Even if you need to drag and drop notes or files, you can just open up another window for your multitask during the call. It's lunchtime, and you would like to have your own me time with a cup of nice coffee. Even better, to catch your favorite show on your smartphone. With Flex Mode, all you need to do is just to place your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G or Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G on the table, open up your favorite show, and tilt to your desired angle and enjoying the show. Oops! Did not bring enough cash out to pay the bills? Don't worry, just take out your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G or Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. When you need to pay, just open up your Samsung Pay and tap it. It's time to go cashless. So, that's all about it, and I hope that you can learn something out of the scenarios that we've shown just now. And let me know if you want to know more about the Samsung's ecosystem, and we will try to do another video for you on that, okay? So if you like this video, remember to share, subscribe and like this video. I'm Joshua C. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.